Loving kindness allows for peace and compassion within you to be shared with the world. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. I invite you to become comfortable and relaxed. Close your eyes and focus your attention on your breath, observing the breath and allowing it to relax your body. Breathing into the entire body system, and on each exhale, relaxing the entire body from the top of the head all the way down to the toes. Bring your attention to your heart space and access a warm, caring, loving, compassionate heartfulness towards life. Allow yourself to experience an authentic kindness and compassion towards one and all, including yourself. Generate this warmth to those who are in the immediate vicinity and those who are far away. To your loved ones, you can bring an image to mind of a particular loved one or more than one loved one and feel their presence, and silently offer the following phrases to them. May I always acknowledge and understand your intentions. May I always be supportive for you in a time of need. May I never place demands and pressure on you. May you be well and happy. May your life know contentment and joy. May you be peaceful and steady from one day to the next. May our love and friendship for each other remain steady. Breathe in. Breathe out. To strangers, sit in your beautiful, peaceful experience and offer these phrases to strangers. May I not rush to judgment on meeting you. May I show friendship and presence for you. May I communicate clearly and wisely in your presence. May your day be rich and worthwhile. May you act mindfully and consciously in all things. May everybody treat you with respect. May you show kindness to everybody that you meet. May your day be free from fear and worry. May you sleep well and peacefully tonight. Breathe in, breathe out. You can now bring an image to mind of a particular person or more than one person that you have difficulty with, and silently offer these phrases to them. May your anger and resentment subside quickly. May you understand the pain you cause yourself and others. May you explore fresh ways to explore differences. May you develop equanimity when things do not go your way. May others stop being angry towards you. May you realize that anger does not cease with anger. May others listen to you and you listen to others. Breathe in, breathe out. Settle into your heart space and offer these words lovingly to yourself. May I be strong. May I have the power to accept and forgive. May I be safe. May I live in peace. May I love and appreciate others boundlessly. Breathe in, breathe out, feeling full of love and compassion and present in this very moment. Take in a cleansing deep breath and exhale. Gently and slowly open your eyes and return your awareness to the present moment.